There's a driving test center. And as I said, they're going to ask you, or if I haven't told you already, they're going to ask you one question about the car, the show me, tell me questions, which you can catch on our site, fmdrivingschool.co.uk. And another question while you're driving. And that's it really. So hopefully you guys can stay a bit relaxed. I know it's going to be nerve-wracking. You know, the first 5 to 10 minutes will be quite scary. The examiners, some of them are quite polite, they're quite chatty, some are quite intimidating. Just depends who you get really. Make sure you practice around the area that you're doing your driving test so you can see what the roads are like. Let me show you an example what the roads are like. So look, let me just cross over. Get this car coming through, going left. It's red light, but how come he's going? The reason for that is there's a give-way line here, and the traffic light there is separate to the give-way lines. So these cars coming or turning left are not controlled or governed by the traffic lights. Let's see if we can get an example. So the green light, hopefully it changes red. So look, he has to wait, this Audi has to wait for the car in front because of the give-way line. That was a good example there. So as I said, when you're doing your driving test, go to the area and try to notice the layout of the roads, see what it's like. There's red light right now. This car's turning left. Doesn't have to wait, but does have to give way to the cars on the right. So there you have it. What else? So look, there's some learners coming in. So yeah, don't forget to like, share and subscribe with FM Driving School.